Listen, a couple days ago we did a video on the Sierra about getting 24s, potentially getting a drop kit for it, unless I could find something else to work on. Well, Facebook Marketplace came through. That plane is pretty loud. I'm pretty excited about this one. Let's check it out. 1960, guess the year before I turn it. 1963. Chevrolet C10. All original. Pretty much. Until we get to the interior. Show you the good stuff under the hood that nobody wants to look at. Inline 6. It's been freshened up, gone over. Looks like it had the old engine rebuild in a can there. From what I can tell, now this is all previous owner. I haven't done any of this stuff. Only thing I did is I cleaned the glass and got it in the garage. We got it in late last night around 9-10 o'clock at night, and this is how I got it. So this is how you see it. Oh, got himself a CarQuest battery. Looks like a newer distributor. Looks like a newer fuel pump. Coil looks newish. I already popped the air cleaner earlier. Carburetor looks original but rebuilt. That intake manifold's either been cleaned up or it's new. This is the good stuff right here. This is what I live for. New master cylinder, new brake lines. So we're gonna get into that, and I'm gonna pop a wheel here, probably not today. And we're gonna get into that, but if he's got new brake lines ran, man, I hope he changed out the wheel cylinders. So that is under the hood for now. And of course, you know we're gonna LS swap it. But I think for this year, I think I'm just gonna leave it inline 6. And I would say 3 on a tree, but it's actually a 3 on the floor. Let's check it out. So there's the hood shut. Later style hood. I mean, that's a 63 hood. You know, the 61s and 2s, or I'm sorry, 60 and 61s had the cool like ovals on the grills. I like those grills a lot. But homeboy put on a brand new chrome grill. And going for the old smoky vibe. I ain't buying it. Original fender on this side. Of course, you know, you got the rot there, and every single C10 that I'm aware of, rot's right there. I don't know if the water runs down the cowl and just kind of sits there or whatever. It's missing all the trim. So it doesn't have the trim on this fender. Doesn't have a trim on this door. Door's got a little bit boony in it. Nothing too bad. We could probably pull that out. And then the bed is missing all the trim as well. This guy looks like he splurged, bought some Uniroyals, Tiger Paws. I got stuck in his yard putting it up on the trailer. Brand new hubcaps. Well, not brand new, but they're factory original, but they're clean. Bed's in rock solid shape, no holes. It is a small back window, unfortunately. It is a short bed. Somebody installed some oak wood flooring, and they did a pretty terrible job. I popped these off because the bed, as you can see here, she's a little cattywampus this way. And I said, you know, was it hit or anything? He goes, no, I don't think it was hit. And then the more I look at it now, I can see the gaps in the tires and stuff, and this side doesn't line up. So the bed's got to I got to take all the wood out. I'm going to take it out anyway because it doesn't, it's patina, but it doesn't look very good. Whoever installed it did all the holes all cockeyed. So we got to pull it all out, straighten the bed, square it up. And here's the rear. Pardon the mess in the garage. I just moved in and I just kind of shoved this in here. So it needs the bed attached. It needs the taillights hooked up. It does have a spare grill if you're into that patina stuff. And it does have a rear bumper. And original steering wheel. We'll get to that in a minute. So like I said, guys, this is a 1963. This is probably, oh, this side has the trim. Not in the best shape. And the bed supports, those little bars, they're rotted off. It needs some new ones. So, you know, we won't have the wide body kit on there forever. Simple fix. All right, I'm gonna back up just a little bit without breaking my neck here. Here's the side. That's a replacement fender. The top of the fender it's chipping a little bit. It's a blue fender. That's off a blue truck. I'll just leave it, whatever. This side's got like half the trim. Doors look good. Rockers look decent. You know, the truck's what, 58 years old? The underside, I mean, you could eat off it under here. Let's pop you down here real quick. We'll take a look at the old frame. Yeah, I mean, she's clean. Got the old homemade, what is that, a custom? What is that, custom? Sounds like a tractor. Oh yeah, excellent job lining the bed up. Yeah, so guys, when I say that I gotta take the bed off and stuff, we gotta take it off. Does have new shocks. It's got 3-inch lowering coils in the back. It's got 3-inch lowering coils in the front. I'm gonna be honest, I looked at this truck, I didn't even look at the rear end, so we can all look at it together. What is it? Little 10 bolt. See, he's got the copper nickel brake lines back there, though. Let's hope he changes the wheel cylinders. We're gonna have to pop a wheel off, but you're going through all that trouble, changing lines, putting shocks in, lowering kit, all that, and you're not gonna change wheel cylinders when they're like $4 a piece? Shame on you. All right, fancy chrome gas cap. That's nice. Here's the reason I bought the truck. The truck is nice. It has absolute killer patina. This is probably, and I might be biased, but this is like one of the best patinas I've seen on a truck. I mean, all the way around. Doors open and close like butter. Here's the magic. You ready for the magic? Oh my God. Oh my, just one hand. You're not yanking on it. You're not pulling it up and down. The door's got no movement. It's great. All right. So like I said, I cleaned the glass. That was about it. So, typical Chevy. Down here. Floor's been patched. We'll pull the carpet. We'll patch it correctly. It's got some holes and whatnot in it. Guy went ahead and painted the interior. Not the best paint job in the world. I mean, you could have probably put some body filler in that. You can probably catch that on camera. I mean, it is what it is. It's all there at least. Got all the handles. They all work. Windows roll up and down nice. So here's the magic. So he went ahead and painted the interior. So roof is all painted cream. The back still got to install the dome light. All the way around does not look too bad. Slide the seat forward here. There's your fuel tank, which I freaking hate where they are in these trucks, but that's where they came from the factory. This seat, I'm just now noticing, is not all the way in, but really nice seat. Went with like that saddle brown. I probably would have gone with that color too. Matches the outside. Okay. Painted the dash. Gauges work. Little crack in that one right there. We're gonna have to find a replacement dash panel. Not a big deal. Oh, splurged a little bit there, guy, did ya? You got the old moon eyes. Old metal flake steering wheel. It'd be a lot cooler if you had the center cap, but whatever. All right, let's get inside this thing. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'm a big guy. I really wish this thing had tilt. That'll be probably what it gets next. All right. Check it out. 3 on the floor. Glove box. Looks good. What is that? Handle for the dipstick. That'll be fine. No radio option in this truck. That's strange. But back then, that's how it was. Yeah, the interior in this thing's actually, it's actually really nice. A lot nicer than what I'm used to. I mean, look at this. It even has a rearview mirror. And it comes with a handsome guy. Wow. I mean, how are you going to go wrong? It's a killer deal. All right. Let's fire this bad mother up, dude, huh? So, the gas pedal's not exactly connected. Okay, no big deal. Let's get her out of gear. Got to make sure, right? Got to wiggle it back and forth. All right. Doesn't matter anyway. Okay. Clutch in. Let's just see. It's like 50 degrees here today. So let's just hit her. Give her, I'm thinking 3 pumps. I mean, I don't think it gets much better than that. Fuel gauge looks like it works. Temp gauge is temping. Like I said, guys, it's got to get gone through. Blinkers aren't showing up on the dash. Let's fire up that. This thing sounds like a tractor. It's going to be a riot to drive. I can't wait. So, this is the new project. Sold the Apache, moved out of New York, came down to North Carolina, and just found some just pretty decent junk. It's already lowered 3 inches. This truck's going to be tough. Yes, we're going to LS swap it. No, it's not happening right away. It's going to happen probably a year from now. The inline 6 runs good. It runs through. It's at least got first and reverse because I backed it up in the garage. I want to fix a couple things. I want to fix the old wide body out back. It's got a 3-inch lowering kit on it, but I guess we could bag it. That's all down the road. Right now, I'm going to go through, make sure everything's kosher, check the coolant. I already checked the oil. That looks good. We'll take a look at the tranny. We'll look at all the lines. We'll look at the wheel cylinders. We'll look at the shoes, the drums, all that stuff, because this is a four-wheel drum truck, obviously. It's 1963. I'm telling you what, that chrome grill's too much. It's too nice. It's just too nice. It's just too nice. And then we'll pull her forward later on, and we'll see how much she dumped all over the floor. But that's it, guys. 1963 Chevrolet short bed. Small back window. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, I'm not going to lie to you, more pretty bitchin' content.